Understanding eternal flow in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, eternal flow. This is a phrase rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. So stay tuned to explore its depths with us. The phrase, eternal flow, combines two powerful words, eternal, meaning something that lasts forever, without beginning or end, and flow, which refers to a steady, continuous movement. When put together, they evoke the idea of a perpetual motion that never ceases. Eternal flow can be understood both literally and figuratively. Literally, it might refer to a river that seems to have been flowing since the dawn of time. Figuratively, it could represent a never-ending process, like the cycle of life and death, or the continuous passage of time. To get a feel for how eternal flow is used in language, let's look at some examples. The eternal flow of the universe is both mysterious and fascinating. Great literature taps into the eternal flow of human emotion. Philosophically, eternal flow might be used to discuss concepts that are timeless or ever-present in human existence. Creatively, it can inspire imagery in poetry and art, symbolizing things that are constant, like a bond that never breaks or wisdom passed through generations. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, eternal flow. We hope this video has shed light on its rich and varied uses, and inspired you to incorporate it into your own English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and enjoy the eternal flow of knowledge.